touch because it's going to flood your crystals, or it might blow all your crystals. So you want to be sealing it on the beads and do a little exam. If you feel like a scratchy right here, I feel that scratchy, I'm going to squeeze just a little bit in, and also seals on the top of the I'm gonna seal my pearl, and then right on the edges right here, and on the edges right here, seal my pearl to protect that so it won't be scratching or anything. And seals all the frame bars and beads, so it's prevent from tarnish. And I didn't do it on the top of the crystal because I don't want that to be taking away the sparkle and the shine. So then with ours going, it doesn't look different. It looks different then. And then I'm gonna see if this little ice cream right here, check. It feels scratchy, your art's going to seal in, but it's really concrete right here already. So when you're doing the bigger, it's like beautiful is fun nail art, kawaii nail art, you make sure you have the clients ask them that, can you please like just turn your hand back and forth, so then all of the UV rays, LED UV rays will cure completely on the edges of your crystal and your frame and your beads. So then that's why it's gonna completely full cure. Right, cure for 60 seconds. And this beauty, perhaps a little, is beautiful, is glow in the dark with the foil. If you like this flower so much, Kim, I'm not sure if I answer your question. I can tell you what box is this. But then it's a combination of the couple box, so then the sub member can get the taste of everything. All right. I think it's 40. No.
41. Closest one.
Yeah. 41. If you do want, this is a 41, box 41, if you want the flowers. But you want this box, which is this box, is come with the sub box only.
So there's a sub box exclusive.
Yes, sub box exclusive. So the sub box exclusive, it have like it might have the flowers. It might, but it has a lot of like really cool solo. Yeah. Can you put it so that I can show the final? Here you go. Here is the final looks from our subscription box. I did have the pure white this time.